How to send photos in TikTok messages. If you've ever wanted to send photos in TikTok messages but weren't sure how, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to send pictures directly in your TikTok messages. So let's jump into it. First, open up the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. From your home feed, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen to go to your messages. Here you'll see all your direct messages. If you've already chatted with someone, tap on the conversation to open it. At the text box, you can see a gallery icon. Simply tap and send the picture that you want to send to them. Simply tap on send. And as you can see here, our picture has been sent in our TikTok message. And that's it. That's how you can simply send photos in TikTok messages. Pretty simple.